In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calculations in Google Forms. Google Forms doesn't calculate answers on its own. But the moment you connect it to Google Sheets, you can use all the power of spreadsheets to total scores, multiply quantities, and more. I'll walk you through linking your form to a sheet, adding a formula, and making it automatically apply to every new response so you never have to copy formulas down by hand. Start by opening your form and heading to the Responses tab. At the top right of that section, click the green Sheets icon. This creates a linked spreadsheet where every new form submission will appear as a new row. If you have the choice, it's usually easiest to create a new spreadsheet so everything is clean and organized. In the sheet, you'll see your questions as column headers in row 1, with the first responses starting in row 2. Next, add your calculation in the sheet. Create a new column for your results, give it a clear header, like total or score, so it's easy to recognize. In the first response row of that column, enter a regular spreadsheet formula based on the columns you need. For example, if you want to add two columns together, you might use FASUM2C2. If you want to multiply two values, you could use FAD2 FAE2. Adjust the column letters to match your sheet. You'll see the result for that row immediately. This is great for existing responses, but by default, it won't automatically fill when new responses arrive, unless you extend it, so let's make it automatic. To apply your calculation to every current and future response, place an array formula in the first row of your calculation column. For example, type FA array formula of blanket 2. A, D2, D, asterisk, E2, E. Here is what it does. Arkansas array formula expands the calculation down the entire column. If is blanket 2, A keeps the cells blank until a new response appears in column A. And D2D asterisk E2, E multiplies the values in those columns for each row. Replace A, D, and E with the columns that make sense for your form. Once this is in row 1 of your calculation column, every new submission will automatically calculate without you touching anything. A few tips as you work: keep your headers in row 1. Avoid typing individual values underneath an active array formula. And if your sheet structure changes, update the column letters in your formula. With this setup, Forms captures the data and Sheets does the math reliably and hands-free. Thanks for watching.